Hi friends, I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to another photo walk video. First, I want to share with you a photo walk where I took some photos of some cyclists on the side of a busy 4-lane roadway. I fought with the elements. I fought with light, I fought with clutter, and tried to do the best I could to create some compelling photographs. Then I will be sharing with you a photo walk where me and my wife made our way to a body of water, a mountainous body of water, and I took some photos of her. I am sharing this way after when I would have liked to have shared it, but me and my wife have been up to our eyeballs in freelance work, and there's a lot of video editing involved in the work that we do, and the last thing I want to do after I edit a video all day for somebody else is edit more video for myself. I don't love editing that much. Oh, and I have a podcast episode that I want to share with you guys where I had a conversation with friend and photographer, very talented photographer, Sam Raetz. He took photos at the Tour de France of cyclists, and we spoke about that, his process, how he came about the photos that he achieved. I will link below to that. Enjoy. I have come to a factory and a ski shop and the side of a road, and I'm hoping a cyclist will come by. The canyons are not too busy with cyclists this evening, so I thought I would come to a more trafficked roadway. This is gonna be a place where you're gonna find a cyclist if you're gonna find a cyclist anywhere. There's one coming towards me now. Oh, there's two that way too. I don't think the wide lens is gonna pay off in this situation. Oh God, I gotta change my settings. The problem is these cars in the background. That is not gonna be helpful. Nope. Truck right behind me. That's the trouble with the wide lens. You kind of get everything in the shot. But that was promising. There was a cyclist. I just had an idea that might be a smart one. If I could get to the other side of this road and the other side of that barrier, I would be able to capture cyclists coming from that way. Nobody coming that way. Okay, I'm going for it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there's space. Beautiful. And the sun is coming from the correct direction to light up the cyclist's face. Cyclist is. Might be kind of fun to try to work in this factory into the background. Now we wait. I got a motorcycle. I'll take it. All right. Lots of drama with this wide lens. When I say drama, I mean the good kind. I'm not really into drama, but if you say something behind my back, I'm gonna defend myself. Well, cyclist, where are you? It doesn't even matter to me how many wheels it has. It could be a monocycle, it could be a tricycle. Ooh, mini, I love minis. Oh, it's so far away. What do you expect me to do with that, sir? Yeah, it's my best photo yet. Got an opportunity here for a motorcyclist. Oh, the car isn't getting away, not the car. Ah! Oh, you guys see that helicopter? Looks like a military helicopter. Is that an Apache? When I got here, I stood on that side of the road for probably 5 minutes and saw, I think, 4 cyclists coming from this way. Now that I'm over here, I've seen 0. Why do bad things happen to good people? Oh yeah, a cyclist. As I was finishing that statement, he was coming around the corner. I'm gonna get real close and low, actually. It's in the shadow. That's problematic. Let's find out. All right. We have another cyclist. This time we're gonna get the factory out. Oh, a couple of them. It's not a good idea to honk when there's cyclists in front of your car. It's a bit more tricky than I anticipated. Since there are 2 cyclists, they clashed with one another. There's one right at the end where they're not clashing, but it's cutting off the bottom of his bike, and I'm not sure if if that'll turn out good. I'm gonna move up the road a bit. Car. That face is we'll call that his eager face. Ah, how interesting. The cyclist contrasted well against that concrete wall. I was not anticipating that. Actually turned out to be pretty interesting. Lots of geometric things flying around. Oh, peaches. We have a, not gonna worry about this motorcyclist, but there's a cyclist coming down. This might work. He's with traffic though, so that's problematic. I don't even know if, did he turn this way? Oh, he went the other way. Crap. I got blessed with traffic on that one. There was nothing around here. Came in real tight. Let's take a photo of the valley. How much negative space can we put in this photo? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Art. I noticed this building earlier. Got some beautiful light on it. I wonder what the history is behind that. It's got like a watchtower on top of it. My only guess is they shot flaming arrows at ancient aliens. I'm waiting for an opening across the road. I think this is it. We're through here. Okay, it's a beautiful evening. It was nice to get out from behind my keyboard. I've been working very hard on freelance work recently, and I decided instead of sitting at home and relaxing, I'm going to get out of the house and go run around and take some photos for the evening. Now I'm gonna go home and have some dinner. The photos on the first photo walk were taken with a new lens that me and my wife picked up. It's a 16-35 f4 Zeiss, and I've been really enjoying it. I love shooting with wide lenses. It is a completely different dynamic. By the way, if you hear insanity, that's my neighbors upstairs. They are terrible. Shooting with a wide lens certainly presents its challenges, but so does shooting with a long lens. Each one has advantages and disadvantages, or attributes, if you will. From here, we'll move to another adventure that me and my wife had at a reservoir. We took her kayak out. We were taking some product photos. There's a sports bra company called Terrakaya. They make lovely sports bras. From what I hear, I'm not the customer for such a product. I don't need support, but she likes them, and we took some photos regarding that, and I'm very happy with some of the stuff I got that day. I have been transported to these rocks by my wife on her kayak, which is what's I didn't know could carry both me and her at the same time. I learned something today. I'm here, I'm taking a couple photos. I grabbed this one a moment ago with my iPhone. Turned out quite nice. Hi, wife.
Hi.
So I really love this canyon as a background. And this is basically a shot I did with my iPhone a second ago, but now I'm going to recreate it with my lens that I spent a lot of money on.
Tell me when I can flip over.
Okay, okay, go ahead. And once you go by, take a right, go out, and then come towards me. Nice. Very beautiful backdrop. Ooh, very good. Good job. I think I got something. Oh, wow.
They call it parallel parking for a reason, ladies.
Grand Theft Kayak. Okay, yeah, hang out right about there. 2.8. Ooh, baby, I'm here for this 2.8. Oh, this is kind of a rad shot, to be honest.
You're welcome.
blow out the background a little bit. That's fine. Come over that way a little bit.
All we need is 10 photos.
Ooh. Ooh. Looking like a damn Olympian.
Hello. Okay, hop in.
Come on in, sugar.
Toss it. This is more important than James. I could buy another James.
Yo, that looks really cool. That looks freaking rad, actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Hi.
take that picture,
Oh
bro.
yeah.
You
Oh
did
yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Keep swimming. Maybe I'll start doing triathlons. I probably rock them. I know how to do.
I think you do a good job. Look over to your right. Cool.
You should have the kayak in the foreground, right?
Yeah, play with the water a little bit. Yeah, stay right there. This looks super good.
Dear God. Dear George.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh yeah, look over your right shoulder for me. Okay, turn your body towards me a little bit. There you go. Yeah, just like that. Turn your body towards me just a hair more. Okay, just like that. Hang tight. Freaking flies, man. Dude, that's so good. Good job, Bob. Yeah. As my neighbors above calls me to spiral deeper and deeper into depression, I would like to wrap up this video. You can find me on Instagram at JamesTheRed. Please feel free to interact with me on there. Send me messages. I like those. Comment below if you have any questions about my process in this video. The Sam Raetz podcast, I would encourage you once again to check that out if you have a commute ahead of you. It was a lovely conversation. That is it for this one. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.
There's really not that many rules and stuff, so like
Fascinating.
you can get close, like you can get close. So it's almost as if like the spectators and the media and the photographers like they're almost a part of the race in a way.